Welcome to how to use the style option in CapCut. So in this video we are going to show you how to use the style option in CapCut. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you're going to need to do is you just need to open up CapCut, and then I will basically open up this video here. Okay, let's suppose this video here. Okay, and after opening up this video here, what I'm gonna do here, that I will simply add some text here. I will add text. Okay, and after adding the text here, you can see we have this style option. Okay, so in style option we have multiple different options. So from here we can choose any text template that we want. Okay, and then we can basically increase and decrease the size of the text. We can increase and decrease its opacity. We can basically select any color for our text. Then if we have any brand colors, we can add we can add the stroke to our text. We can add glow effect to our text, like this one. You can see the glow. We can also select the glow color as well, and then we can also add the background. Okay, we can also add shadow. We can also basically spacing and bold icons and case. We can basically make it all caps or small caps. So that's how you can basically use the style option in CapCut. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.